Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is here with another tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I did just go ahead and pick up the Canon 7S2, so I've kind of made some errors, I should say, with this camera. I was able to get the top down shot of me unboxing this product. However, I recorded my whole entire talking head in slow motion. That's what happens when you don't pay enough attention. You just go ahead and trust the brand and, trust their systems, trust the menus, and just say, screw it, I'm gonna go ahead and go at it. But obviously I messed up. So we're gonna be talking, just talking about this little item right here. Put a little cutscenes, a little B-roll in here for it. For us, get our magical knife, rainbow color. You know how we do it. I think so. I think so. All right. There we go. Slice you all open. Let's close that up because we already got a table freaking dirty, man. But it's all good. Let's lay you down right quick and pull these two flabs out just to, see what's up with it. I think we're doing it right. Okay. I'm like, okay. All right. So we're going to bring it back over here. Got that open. Let's flip this case. Oh, okay. So we pull it out first. Okay, cool. All right, so inside of here, the first thing that I am being greeted with is going to be this little sign right here. It just has the company name on it, and it's indented, I should say. So nice as well. May keep that product and put it somewhere. Just depends. And then inside of here, oh my God, we got that's it. That's the box. Nothing is in there, so we'll just put you at the bottom of there and put you to the side. And then we got this. Let's grab our knife again, slice this thing open for us so we can have ease of use. I really hope that this does come with, a repackaging case. Because, most gimbals, they do come with it. Like, this is right here is the DJI Osmo 4. This is only for, like, smartphones, basically, that I know of. So it came with, like, a little bag. So hopefully this thing does come with, something for a brother. All right. Put that paper in the box as well. So it looks like we got us some more details. I hope this ain't the CD. Please tell me this not a CD, man. Okay, cool. I was like, this cannot be a CD. So yeah, it looks like we got us a few little, details in here that's telling us, stop and attention. I guess I should pay attention to this right quick. So please do not return this product to your dealer. Return to the company holder with any problems. Okay. And then we got the manual right here. Something that we definitely need to start taking a look at because obviously we make a lot of mistakes. And then we also got some Adventure Time service cards. That definitely looks like that dude off of Adventure Time. That's cool. That's all in there. And then it looks like we got us another thing. Oh. Okay. So this right here is an accessories tab. It looks like you can go buy any of these accessories, and I guess it's constantly upgrade this gimbal. So that's pretty nice. I got a transmitter on here, transmount image transmitter, transmission transmitter. Okay, that's out of my league right now. We just a beginner, for the camera photography stuff. Let's go ahead and take this off. I don't know if this is the front or the back. I think okay, we got salt for you. What's the salt? Or silica gels. Got some of those for you. Put that down there. This is a nice little case right here. I like this. It's very nice, I kind of like this. It looks nice. Let's put that to the side right quick, man. Get that out the way. Holy crap. Holy crap. We got a lot of stuff in there. Jesus Christ. I don't even know where to start, man. I don't know where to start. Whew. All right. So, of course, we're going to say the gimbal first for the last, Jesus Christ, I ain't never seen no batteries this freaking big. Holy crap. These batteries are hecka big. So I guess, I wasn't expecting this to be battery charged like this type of battery, but a good thing about this, it is, reusable or rechargeable, I should say. And I've heard some good things about this as well. These are going to be the 18650 Li-ion batteries, which does provide you with 14 hours of use of the gimbal itself within, like 2.5 hours of charging. So that's definitely going to be, very helpful. I forgot how much, the Zhiyun, Lord geez, not the Zhiyun. I don't even know where I got Zhiyun. Oh, company. I don't even know where I got the DJI Osmo for, like the charging session of that, but whatever. And then it also comes with its own battery charge as well for this. It looks like it's going to be charged by USB-C. So that's, you know, that's pretty chill right there. We got the USB-C charger in there with the battery case. Put you in. I guess we'll start taking this stuff out just in case. It's like, yeah, we'll set this thing up for. It's like, well, I guess since I touched it, I gotta pick it up. Holy crap! Wow, this is the gimbal. Weebill S gimbal. Jeez, this is so freaking advanced. Like, I'm over like, yeah. You know, it's much bigger in comparison to the Osmo 4 that I have. I mean, like, look at these things. Like, these things are humongous. So let's put that to the side real quick and see what else we got. Got us another, I want to say this may be a slider piece as well, perhaps. It could be anything from like a mount too. I'm not for sure. But I mean, Jesus Christ. And then this right here, no, this is the back plate, or either, oh no, this is the lens holder. You put your camera up here and then the lens, or this. Let me do something. Let me stop guessing and start thinking about using documentation. So it looks like that slider thing is not listed on here at all. But if you guys do see a little image right there, you can tell that, you know, that little front port, that is for the lens and the camera itself, it looks like. And then it looks like we're gonna tag the camera on here. So we take those out real quick. And then we got our, I'll call this a tripod. We got the tripod right here, and this feels so freaking good. I mean, this feels premium leather on both sides of it. We got our 1/4" thread right here. Yeah, so I mean, oh, and it locks, and there's a lock, so that's cool with me right there, you know. Let's put that down right there for us, and let's see what else we got in here. Got some cables, and I think that's all. Anti-mold packet. I've never seen this in a product that I've ever bought. An anti-mold packet? What? What? I've never seen that before. Let's see, that's all we got in here for that. All right, and then we got our last box that we need to open up, which is some wires, it looks like, and some screws for our camera. So it looks like this is USB-C to USB-A. So that's one wire we have. We have a micro USB to USB-C, and then we have another micro USB. Same difference, I guess. So it's USB-C-A. USB-C. And then this cable right here, I'm not really familiar with this one either, but I do know it's a micro USB mixed with a fatback micro charger. Yeah, so obviously these right here are just basically, you know, little cables that you would use, you know, for let's say for instance, if you have a, you know, depending on what kind of camera you have, like my Sony right here, it comes with the micro USB port instead of the Canon I used to have came with the same exact thing. So I don't know if any camera does have you know, the USB-C to USB-C just yet, but let's go ahead and hook this bad boy up and let's get some fun out of this. So we'll go ahead and start off with screwing this bad boy in. Like I said, it got that lock right here, so we'll just lock that in. And oh, exposed. What? Okay, so I guess not. Whatever. That's okay. I don't know what that was for, but all right. Let me screw this back in right quick. Come on. All right, so we got you screwed back in, buddy boy. And let's go ahead and sit you down, because Jesus Christ, there's a lot of stuff with it. This right here is going to be the Zhiyun. Let me lock these axes right quick for me, because they going wicked right now. But this right here is just a little camera gimbal that I picked up today from Best Buy. Only cost me about like a good $300. So it wasn't, you know, anything too expensive, wasn't anything too cheap. Now this camera gimbal right here, I plan on using it for more video editing. You know, maybe in the future I'm planning on doing some music videos for a couple people I do know here in town. So I'll be using this thing. Dog, I don't know why this thing is moving like this, but it's supposed to be locked. Oh, it's because I don't got it locked. There we go, now we locked. But anyway, you guys, like I said, this right here is the Weebill product right here. So it's a very nice, you know, little relaxed product. We got the Sigma 16mm in here, so you know how we gotta do hide that face right quick and Maybe that'll zoom in, maybe not, whatever. But yeah, so we got this little nice gimbal. It came in some, you know, a very nice packaging as well, I will say. This is like the little box that it did come with. I mean, it really looks good to me. I mean, of course, it's not a traveling case, so you will have to, you know, go purchase your own traveling case. But really, I really bought this just because in the past I've always used my DJI Osmo 4, but I can only use it with the iPhone 13 or any other iPhone I do have. So with me purchasing the Zhiyun now, or the Zhiyun, whatever the company name is, with me able to purchase this, I can now use my camera and, you know, actually, you know, go on like that. Now this thing right here, I mean, it's very flexible. For one, you can easily, you know, attach the turn right here. Let's go ahead and twist that up. You can, you know, hold it like this as well. Hold it from down here, and it also comes with a couple play buttons as well for us. So, you know, we got our, let me show you guys the power and stuff. So we got the, you know, the on button right here. We got also a little, what is it, the PF and L? Don't know what that is, but then we also got a function button, you know? So we got that on here. This is my first official gimbal, I should say. Let's look at lock this thing, because this thing has been, I hate the sound of grinding metal, like, that bothers me. Put that down. So yeah, that was that product right there. And like I said, I picked it up because the Osmo 4, it doesn't give me capabilities to use it for my camera, nor does it, you know, I don't really record on my phone like that. And you know, when you go out and you want to get, you know, money, you want to become something special, you want to do videography or photography, people are going to look at you like, what is that? Compared to, you know, like, dang, he got something nice. But I'm also going to be putting on some additional accessories, because there is like a little thread piece right here. I can go ahead and hook on my camera field monitor to it, and you can just pretty much deck it out. Like for the Sony I have right now, the 7S2, I did just go ahead and order a cage for it. So I mean, you can, I'm going to be hooking up so much stuff to the camera once I actually get the full capabilities of it. And I also got to remember, you can't continue to use crop sensor cameras and expect to get the best quality crop sensor lenses and expect to get, you know, the 4K capability out. So right now this is probably 1080p. I was trying to shoot it in the 4K, but I need to go ahead and purchase a full frame lens. That way I can actually get the full 4K resolution for the Sigma 16 millimeter camera. So, I mean lens. So that's that, man. Definitely hope you guys understand where I'm coming from. Wasn't something that was going to be too long, too short. If it's too short, my apologies. But stay tuned as well, because I do plan on doing something extra, which is me actually using this thing right here in action. Just want to show you guys, because this thing comes with like 6 different modes for one. So, you know, just want to show you guys all that right there, and we'll see how good this gimbal really can handle, you know, the Sigma lens and also the Sony 7S2. For today's video, but go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bells on for some more content. Like I said, we're going to be doing some more action-packed, you know, with this right here. This is $300, so we're going to use it for sure. I don't know what we're going to use it for, but we're going to find, you know, something to do with it, something to interact with it, or it may just go back to the place we got it from. But I doubt that. I doubt that. I like it so far. It's pretty chill. I haven't got to use it, haven't got to hook it up, nor have a balance it yet. So maybe we'll do a video balancing it, and etc. etc. For more information, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell once again if you haven't done it already, because I know you probably want to do it, but you can't do it because you don't. I don't know, but hit the notification bell. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.